Hey guys, it's Steve. It is Sunday, July 11th, 2021, and I'm doing an NHL 2K2 video. So yeah, it's been forever since I've done one, but I'm doing one now. Hang on though, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit on the TV. Alright. Sorry. I had to move my chair. Stanley Cup final rematch. Montreal and Tampa. Of course, I'm going to control Montreal. I think the last NHL 2K2 I did was back in November. So it's been forever since I've done one of these.
Sega presents the coolest game on earth.
Hello, my name's Alex Crane. I'll be giving you complete color commentary. Bob Miller will supply your play-by-play coverage.
Welcome to the Molson Center, where the Montreal Canadiens are taking on the Tampa Bay Lightning. And now,
The Tampa Bay Lightning's had a lot of adversity, but that makes them very tough mentally. The Berlin Wall is moving into his prime. He should only get better from here on in. He can flop around a lot while making saves. He needs to make sure he doesn't get caught out of position too much.
All right.
And the centers move to center ice to start
Let's
the
play
first
hockey.
period. Juno moves the puck back. He was hit hard.
I'm probably
San
gonna
Luis
suck
passes
since
it
I
over
haven't
to
played in forever.
Colmore. Oh, he made him pay. Juno takes it up through the middle. You know, a save like that really builds your rep in this league. Oh, and the net becomes dislodged.
Montreal's had problems with teams that clog up the neutral zone. If you use the trap, you can shut them down.
Time now to drop the puck. And he wins the draw. Takes a hit. He brings it out of the end zone. Andrejchuk to number 91. And they're heading out of the zone with the puck. Markov takes the shot. He hangs onto it to slow things down.
To you, from failing hands, we throw the torch. Be yours to hold it high. Since 1952, these words have been emblazoned on the dressing rooms of the Montreal Canadiens and stood as a motto for this historic franchise.
Number 91 wins the puck off the draw. They take the puck in up through center. He one-times it from in front. Boyle. Number 91 to St. Louis. Rock to the ice. Brisebois.
Oh man, he nailed him good with that one.
Number 91 moves it over to St. Louis. Here they come with a puck. Dackel skates over the line. Abibulin, he works it over to Collimore. They bring it up through center.
Stamkos.
Theodore to Brisebois. And they're heading out of the zone with the puck. He carries it out of the zone. Boyle. Now there's a 2-on-1. Andrejchuk takes a snapshot right in
I
front.
could have got that.
Here they come with a puck. Zednik carries the puck over the line. They take the puck in up through center. Andrejchuk takes a wrist shot right in front. Dykhouse moves it around to Gilmore. Stops him cold. Number 91 passes it ahead to LeCavalier. LeCavalier passes it up to Richards. Takes a hit.
Yep, he made the right play by giving up the puck to his teammate.
Boy, he sure did step into him. Richards snaps it right in front.
Come on, get the puck.
Hey, did you see how he fought to make this play? Motivation can overcome a lot of weaknesses. Boyle, pass to Richard. LeCavalier takes the shot. Gilmore to Perreault.
You know, in the NHL, you don't get respect until demanding it. So when he clocked him there, he was really saying, please respect me.
Boyle passes it ahead to Richard. Audette, he lines up the shot. Oh, he stepped right in front of him. Here they come with a puck. You'd think they're playing tic-tac-toe the way they were passing that puck. Takes a hit. He brings it up through center. Boy, he sure did step into him. Number 91 takes a snapshot right in front.
Get the puck.
Oh, he stepped right in front of him. Berezan lines up for the shot. Here they come with a puck. He brings it out of the end zone. Gilger skates over the line. Puts it in! You know, sometimes a puck that just trickles in is the most heartbreaking kind of goal.
Let's have another look at that play.
Ladies and gentlemen, a local hero is in the stands. Triathlete James
Juno wins the draw.
Athletes everywhere. Enjoy the game, James. Montreal goal. Scored
Takes a hit.
by number 25.
And they're heading out of the zone with the puck. Petrov takes the shot.
15 seconds.
St. Louis passes across the ice to Andrechuk. Dackel snaps it right in front. Collimore passes it ahead to St. Louis. St. Louis over to number 91. Nice pass. He steps over the line. That's not a person, that's a brick wall. Oh, man, that had to hurt. Dackel lines up for the shot. Crushes him.
1 minute.
Abibulin moves it over to Modine. They take it up through the middle. St. Louis passes it back to Andrechuk. He takes a snapshot from in front of the net. Collimore with the cannon from the red line. And now the horn has sounded. The first period is over. And the score is the Canadiens 1, the Lightning 0.
Boy, were they tossed around like a rag doll in that period. They need to establish a physical presence in the next period and make some room for themselves.
Alright. So I lead 1-0 after 1 period. Hope I can add on.
They're out to take the face-off to open the second period. Juno sends the puck back. Sailed right into him and hit hard. Modine, he works it over to St. Louis. Nice hit. And they're heading out of the zone with the puck. Petrov takes the shot. Collimore passes it up to number 91. Oh, he stepped right in front of him. Hit him like a freight train. Andrechuk risks it right in front. Juno skates over the line. He was hit. He gets the goal. You know, you'd think a slow-moving puck would be easy to save. Well, you'd think so anyway. What a true goal game does is give you some room to work with. Everyone loosens their grip on the stick a little.
Folks, let's see that again.
Montreal goal. Scored unassisted by number 90, Shohei.
Number 91 sends it back.
On the goal, 2 minutes, 56 seconds.
He carries it out of the zone. Brisebois shot right in front. He brings it out of the end zone. Number 91 passes out to St. Louis. Modine moves it to number 91. Theodore passes it ahead to Brisebois. They take the puck in up through center. Abibulin passes it up to Collimore. Just nails him. St. Louis moves it around to Andrechuk. They bring it up through center. Takes care of him. Number 91 takes a snapshot right in front. He brings it out of the end zone. A bone-crushing check. Zednik slaps it right in front. Modine passes across the ice to Richard. Richard steps over the line. And he takes the shot right in front of the net. Petrov gets it over to Robida. Collimore passes it ahead to Richard. Richard takes a wrist shot right in front. He carries it out of the zone. Juno tees it up right in front. He smothers the puck to stop the play.
The Lightning are starting to see the benefits of their high draft years through player development and trades.
Face-off will be to the right of Abibulin. And he wins the draw. Richard, it's a 2-on-1. Ran into a brick wall. Robida gets a breakaway.
Oh.
Richard puts himself in front to block the shot. They take it up through the middle. Number 91 wrists it right in front. Here they come with a puck. Sailed right into him and hit hard. And they're heading out of the zone with the puck. LeCavalier takes a wrist shot right in front. Just flattens him. Richard over to number 91.
Ooh, nice save.
Theodore passes it over to Robida. They carry the puck in up through center.
Looks like we're going to see a penalty shot here.
Penalty shot. Come on. Seriously, didn't give me a chance.
Face-off will be to the left of Abibulin. Number 91 controls the face-off. They take the puck in up through center. Andrachuk, he lines up the shot. They bring it up through center. Kilger lets it go right in front. He brings it out of the end zone. Dykout brings it up through center. Oh, he's all over him. Here they come with a puck. He was hit hard. Berezan takes the shot. Stops him cold.
Ooh.
Ow! Those smart remarks, just plain ow.
The puck goes over the boards.
He's playing a strong physical game so far. The trick is, can he be physical and stay out of the penalty box?
Time now to drop the puck. Number 91 moves the puck back, and they're heading out of the zone with the puck. Boy, he sure did step into him. He brings it out of the end zone. Oh, man, that had to hurt. Boyle passes it up to number 91. Theodore, he works it over to Bulis. Abibulin passes out to Boyle. Good passing skills will give you time and choices. They passed it around for the perfect play. Van Allen, he lines up the shot. They bring it up through center.
Wow, he made the smart play by passing him the puck.
He carries it out of the zone. And time runs out as the period comes to an end. And it's the Canadiens 2, the Lightning 0.
Well, now we know both teams are tough guys. Look for a little more strategy next period as they both try and take control of the game.
All right. One more period to go.
This third period faceoff is brought to you by the Sega Sports Network. Number 91 to Andrechuk. Andrechuk back to number 91. They take it up through the middle. Ribeiro lines up for the shot. Abibulin moves it around to Boyle. A good, clean hit. Markov to Van Allen. They carry the puck in up through center. Van Allen takes the shot. Abibulin to number 91. They take the puck in up through center. Andrechuk, number 91, takes a snapshot right in front. Hook him to the cleaners. Crushes him.
Boy, does he love to throw his weight around. What a hit.
Nice hit. And he will cover the puck, and we have a stoppage in play.
The Tampa Bay Lightning's had a lot of adversity, but that makes them very tough mentally.
Face-off will be to the left of Abibulin. Juno wins the draw. St. Louis pass to Andrechuk. Andrechuk lines up for the shot. He brings it out of the end zone. Dackel with the shot from the hash marks. He shoots it in. Fires it right inside. He didn't have a chance on that one. What we have here is a failure to be competitive. What a lead.
Let's see that again.
Alright, so 3-0 lead. Awesome.
Time now to drop the puck.
Montreal goal, scored unassisted by number 90, Shohei Juno.
Number 91 sends the puck back. Cullimore, he works it over to number 91. Gets rattled. Number 91 takes the shot. Petrov takes the puck in up through center. The goalie's best friend took care of that shot, just rang it off the post. They take it up through the middle. Richard passes it up to LeCavalier. Theodore over to Dackel. They carry the puck in up through center. Shoots! Score! Lines up for the shot. Just made it.
Let's take a look at the replay.
Alright, so 4-0 lead. Yep. I'm gonna win this game. No way I'll blow
Montreal
this.
goal, scored unassisted by number 24, Andriy Dackel.
Number 91 sends it back. He carries the puck over the line. Takes care of him. Dykhouse passes it ahead to Zednik. He brings it out of the end zone. That was a solid hit. A solid check. Here they come with a puck. Zednik brings it over the line. Modine passes across the ice to Richard. Richard to number 91. Takes a hit. A bone-crushing check.
Oh, he definitely uses his size to maximum advantage. Nice hit.
Number 91 risks it right in front. He brings it out of the end zone. Oh, man, that had to hurt. He takes it up through the middle. Number 91 snaps it right in front. And they're heading out of the zone with the puck. Perreault takes the shot. He shoots it over the board.
By the end of the millennium, the Canadiens were one of the sport's most successful franchises, having won 24 Stanley Cups.
Face-off will be to the right of Abibulin. Number 91 controls the face-off. Ran into a brick wall.
All right.
He brings it out of the end zone. Gilger passes out to Audette. Modine passes it up to number 91. Number 91 passes it back to Andrechuk.
Looks like there was too much pressure on him, so he passed the puck.
That was a big flag. Did you hear it hit the crossbar? They take it up through the middle. Cullimore moves it to St. Louis. Audette moves it around to Berezan. Berezan lines up for the shot.
Passing is good, but you need to know when and where to do it.
He was hit hard. Andrechuk, he works it over to St. Louis. St. Louis passes it back to Andrechuk. Andrechuk back to St. Louis. Modine to Andrechuk. They carry the puck in up through center. Shoots, and the puck hits the side of the net. He carries it out of the zone. He skates over the line. St. Louis lines up for the shot. Brisebois to Juneau. They bring it up through center. Just flattens him. Oh, he stepped right in front of him. Dackel passes across the ice to Petrov. Petrov winds up and lets it go from just inside the blue line. They take the puck in up through center. Number 91. He lines up the shot.
I win.
And there's the buzzer signifying the end of the game. And the score is the Canadiens 4, the Lightning 0.
And now, for the 3 stars of the game, the number 3 star, Andreas Dackel, number 2 star, Jose Theodore, the number 1 star, Joey Juneau.
Alright guys, so hope you enjoyed this. I'll have a couple more videos today. I'll have the review and the live stream tonight, so yeah. Anyways, final score, Habs 4, Lightning 0. The Habs get payback for the Stanley Cup Finals. His stats: 27 shot for Tampa, 25 for Montreal. I'm not gonna read the rest. But yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this. I don't know when I'll do my next NHL 2K2, but I'll do another one whenever. So bye.